Walking through the shadows, night is gone. Moments lost in the heavy haze. Echoes of your whispers linger on, fading dreams in the early blaze. Standing on the edge of yesterday's broken dawn, no light to guide. Memories like ghosts, they won't erase. Silent screams from deep inside. Reach for answers in the morning glow. Truths are hiding in the mist, searching for